In this video, we will guide you through the entire process of renting a private jet via privatejethireservice.com. From understanding the benefits of private jet travel to completing your booking, we'll cover every important step. By the end, you will feel confident and prepared to book your own luxury flight. Privatejethireservice.com offers unparalleled convenience and luxury, making your travel experience exceptional. Unlike commercial airlines, you have the freedom to customize your itinerary, enjoy shorter wait times, and access private terminals. Personalized services cater to your needs, ensuring every journey is tailored to deliver comfort and efficiency. The first step in renting a private jet is to outline your travel needs clearly. Identify your destination, the number of passengers traveling, and your preferred dates. This crucial information helps ensure the flight meets your specific requirements, providing you with the best options and a smoother booking process. After defining your travel needs, the next step is to explore the aircraft options available on privatejethireservice.com. Each aircraft has unique features and capacities. By reviewing these choices, you can select the best fit for your requirements, whether you prioritize luxury, speed, or passenger capacity during your journey. Once you've selected your preferred aircraft, the next step is to request a quote on privatejethireservice.com. Input your travel details, including dates and destination, to receive personalized pricing information. This tailored quote provides a transparent overview of costs, ensuring you understand your investment before finalizing any decisions. After receiving the quote, it's essential to carefully review it along with the terms of the rental. Pay special attention to the cancellation policies and any additional fees. This thorough examination ensures you have a complete understanding of your agreement and that all your questions are addressed before proceeding. Once you have thoroughly reviewed all details, it's time to confirm your booking. This step typically involves signing necessary documents and making an initial payment to secure your private jet. Completing this process ensures that your flight is officially reserved and prepares you for a seamless travel experience. As your flight date approaches, it's important to prepare by coordinating logistics, such as transportation to the airport. Ensure that you communicate any special requests you may have for your onboard experience, like catering preferences or additional services, to guarantee a comfortable and enjoyable journey.